In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple employee credit cards to QuickBooks Online bank feed. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the correct company file before you continue, especially if you manage books for more than one business. Starting in the right place helps prevent confusion later when the accounts begin to sync. Once you're inside QuickBooks Online, go to the accounting menu and then select Bank Transactions. This is the area where connected bank and credit card activity flows into QuickBooks for review. If you've already linked other accounts before, this page may already show existing bank feeds. So, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct screen. Next, click Link Account. This is the option that allows you to connect a new bank or credit card account to your company. After that, use the search field to find and select your credit card provider. It's important to choose the correct financial institution, since some providers may have similar names or separate login portals for business and personal accounts. When you find the right provider, sign in using your online banking credentials. For security, use the same login details you normally use on your credit card provider's website. Depending on the provider, you may also be asked to complete an additional verification step, such as a security code or authentication prompt. After signing in, QuickBooks will display the accounts available under that login. From there, select the employee credit card accounts you want to connect. Be careful to choose only the cards you want included in your bank feed, especially if the account includes multiple users or sub-accounts. This is an important step because each connected employee card can help you track spending more clearly inside QuickBooks. Next, follow the prompts to complete the connection. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm account details or match the cards to existing accounts in your chart of accounts. Take your time here so everything is linked correctly from the start. Once the connection is complete, wait for QuickBooks to import transactions from each connected credit card. This process may take a few moments, and in some cases, the initial download can take a little longer depending on the provider. Finally, return to the bank transactions page and verify that each employee credit card appears there. This confirms the cards were connected successfully and are ready for review and categorization. Thanks for watching.